So this class will be changing colors. Now still on this, I tried to change it to Master's Guide in Running a Profitable Sponsored Hats. Now this is it. I don't want to do it word for word, so you go to colors. Can you see color here? You click on it. So I want to change my color. What color will go well with the cream background? Let's see. Should we choose green? I think green is not bad. No, I think green is not bad. Can change colors, right? And go to the background. Now click on here. I want to change the color of the background. Let's see. Maybe to see that it's not showing well. Let's see. To white. I think white is fine. I think I prefer it to cream. Now I like to change my name. Change the color from that to green. And make it wider. Sorry. Expand it a bit. So those are the things you can play around Canva and do a lot of changes. If it's red, you can change it to red. Is this whatever that will show well, that'll come out well. Just play around it, that's all. All good to go. So that's all about changing colors, fonts, and all that. Thank you.